Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a metafill for variants in Shopify. First, you can go to your Shopify admin panel. You can go to settings. Then here you can see custom data. Then from here you can select Metafield variant. So you can add a new Metafield. I'm giving a name called selling type. So you have the options like sometimes selling type is there. So I think there is already one is there. So I'm adding it selling type one. So I'm creating a single line text field and limiting to the present choices. So you can see, for example, you will have some products which have variants which providing full pay, right? Another will be subscription one, another will be any of the type, right? These might be the three type of choices and you can save it. So we have successfully created the meta fields, and now I will show you how to add this meta field to a particular variant. So this product has two variants. So we can go to this particular product and you can see one time and subscribe. So for this particular product, we are adding the selling type. It's one time, right? So we are adding it full pay one. And for the other one, it's subscription one. We are adding it's subscription one, right? So like that, like this, you can create meta fields for variants, and using these conditions, like using this, you can definitely do some other things also. Basically, you can limit purchase of both of the items together using some apps, right? So yeah, I think this video will help you to create this thing. And if you find this video helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.